The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a strong follow-up to Google's first foldable phone with a huge 8-inch display, slim design, and longer battery life. But the weaker software and camera improvements make it a tough sell at $1799 US, especially when compared to rival devices like the OnePlus Open. Google's first stab at a foldable phone with the Pixel Fold wasn't quite a home run, but it at least gave consumers another option beside Samsung's foldables. With the Pixel Fold successor, however, there's a lot more pressure because the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold competes against breakout devices like the OnePlus Open as well as the recently released Galaxy Z Fold 6. Using this opportunity to improve upon the shortcomings of last year's Pixel Fold, Google has given its newest notebook-style foldable phone an extreme makeover as well as a name change to better align with the other Pixel 9 phones in its lineup. You get the largest display yet in a foldable at 8 inches, a brighter screen, and numerous camera upgrades. Google's also banking on new AI features to hopefully propel the Pixel 9 Pro Fold over its foldable rivals. In my Pixel 9 Pro Fold review, I will tell you if all the new changes are enough to give this device that prestigious title of Best Foldable Phone. Now that the novelty of foldables has dissipated, it's going to take the Pixel 9 Pro Fold a whole lot more than just flexing to convince people it's worth the money. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold pre-orders are available right now and it will go on sale starting on September 4 in just two plain colors, Obsidian and Porcelain. I wish that Google offered at least a third color option just to give people something else to consider, even if there are several brightly colored Pixel 9 Pro Fold cases available for this device. I also think it's a tough position with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's base starting price of $1799 US with 256 GB of storage. While that's easier to swallow than the outrageous $1899 US cost of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US, it's nowhere close to the OnePlus Open's lower cost of $1699 US, which is made better with sales and trade-in offers that get the price down to as low as $1399 US. It's also worth noting that the OnePlus Open comes with a whopping 512 GB of storage with the base model, making it tougher to justify the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's value. Seriously, this is exactly what the original Google Fold should have been from the start, because the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is much more polished in every way. Its new redesign makes it look and feel like a more modern foldable, but I was expecting so much more to justify at $1799 US cost. All of the new AI features certainly elevate its worth, but it would have been much more satisfying to see it getting more exclusive features just to give it a bit of distinction over the slate Pixel 9 Pro models. I am also disappointed that the camera upgrades are minimal at best and how the overall software experience doesn't change all the much functionality. Google addresses many of the shortcomings of the original, but the bar has been set higher by other foldables like the OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Needless to say, it's much better than its predecessor, but it still comes up short of matching the value that its contemporaries offer.